Hi, my name is Dino Neimarlija. I am currently studying at the University of Alberta in my second year of engineering in the Mechanical Engineering department. My expected graduation year is 2018. Throughout this video, I will be talking about these three key points. What were my motivations and inspirations to study mechanical engineering, how I would like to start my engineering career, and also how some of my hobbies have allowed me to learn some of the most important lessons in life. There's been a lot of motivation and inspiration for me to pursue an engineering degree throughout my life, and specifically a mechanical engineering degree. I have narrowed it down to a few. So one of the biggest motivations for me to pursue a mechanical engineering degree was because it was always a dream of mine to become a mechanical engineer, because I've always seen engineers like family relatives and so on take part in projects and make positive impacts on society every day by making decisions on budget or what kind of materials to use, and all towards benefiting the companies but also society as a whole. And that was always a motivation to help the society on a daily basis, and also be going home knowing that I've done everything I can to help society in the project I'm doing or the project I'm helping in, and just make a better world, if that means making a new arena for the hockey team, or if that means making a new highway so that people could travel down this roads more safely and so on. But it's always been a passion of mine to make positive impacts to society, and I've always seen that through any kind of engineering, but in my case mechanical engineering. So there were a ton of inspirations in my life for me to pursue a mechanical engineering degree, and I noticed as I was growing up I found everyday cars really interesting. I was really not only about how they were designed and manufactured, but also how all the little parts in the car were working by themselves, but also in harmony with all the other parts. And I was always wanting to pursue a career where I could be involved in the design of these parts and have my input on what I believe the material should be, or how it should be designed. And I found that mechanical engineering would allow me to pursue this dream and make it achievable one day. So as of late, a lot of people have been asking me how I want to start my engineering career. And I've given it some thought, and I've decided that I want to start my engineering career in the automotive industry. I do understand it's very difficult for an engineer to start his career in the automotive industry, but I believe I've learned a lot of skills that will allow me to achieve this goal from my past hobbies. One of my past hobbies was I used to be a former competitive swimmer, and during my time during swimming I found that I learned a lot of skills that I use to this day and will in the future. One of these skills was having good work ethic and always putting my best foot forward no matter what, and this showed me that I can achieve anything I put my mind to as long as I have a good work ethic about it. And the other major skill I learned from swimming was to always take care of your responsibilities that you're given. Everybody has responsibilities throughout the day, big or small. And during the day, if you don't fill out those responsibilities, there are people that are relying on you to do those responsibilities. And by not doing those responsibilities and taking care of what you should have, you're letting other people down, and that is not good. And I believe these two skills have allowed me to learn and achieve a lot in my life, and will be applicable to my career as an engineer. As I've introduced myself throughout this video and discussed how my motivations and inspirations have allowed me to be studying what I love, I've also discussed how I want to start my engineering career and how past hobbies have been helping me with the skills I need to achieve my goals in life. I hope you get to know me a bit better and my skill set from this video.